It is true, some of the oldest and most iconic brands have survived multiple decades. Even as faceless brands, they have always been a brand name and a logo. And while it continues to work for them, it doesn't mean that same approach when it comes to your business is going to work for you. Now, do you know who started Coca Cola? Nike. And what about BMW? Try to understand that our brain connects with human first, not with the brand. Consumers connect more strongly with a personality than with a faceless brand. Tesla has 2 million followers on Twitter while Elon Musk has 14 million followers. A lot has changed over the years, especially how brands interact with consumers. Now, 30 to 40 years ago, messaging was very direct. This is our product and this is what it does. Today, a logo isn't even an afterthought. Many successful brands use a simple text logo and with nothing more than font matching their vibe, with the goal of making that connection with many brands has started using familiar faces to establish a strong base consumer and brand relation. Consumer trust brands with a face more than they do with a faceless brand. You can tell your story better than anyone else. Now, would Tesla have a similar success story if you have used a random celebrity rather than Elon Musk? No, because nobody can tell better story than Elon. While he did not started originally that the company, he took the control and he made sure that the brand to grow by his likeness and all. Believing in your own product or service is the strongest statement you can make. With the face of the business you founded means putting yourself out there. It means that you are all in on your brand and will be there for their ups and downs. No amount of fancy advertisement or paid celebrities can match that level of trust or commitment. And this is the best of my video marketing course, so you have to come over and describe your brand. This is going to help you in long run. Thank you.